This is Mr. Gray and White Kitty. He wants a home and he'd like to live with you. And that's his little sister, little brown tabby girl. And then back there is gray dilute tabby, and she wants a home too. Watch how cute they are. You cannot resist their cuteness. You see your face, little tabby? Here is her face. She's a very cute little kitty. And he is an expert pouncer. It'll be lots of fun. Look at him go. Gray Tabby's a little more reserved, but she'll be very sweet in a quiet household. And she'll play if you give her some time and let her relax a little bit. Take them, they want to live with you. That is all.